you have to discipline yourself. Alright, so you have to learn these two things first before, okay, you start your own investment or your business, okay? Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from Making Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng delivers natin. And if sa first time po tayo mapanood sa aking YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so announcement muna tayo bago i-discuss ang dalawang bagay na kailangan mo, prerequisite. Okay? Before you have your own business or your investment. So, kung nagpaplano ka mag-invest, nagpaplano ka ang tawag dito, mag-business, eto muna ang dalawang aralin mo. Alright. Okay, announcement tayo. November 17 and 18, nasa Hong Kong tayo. 18 ang ating seminar. That's 2 to 5 p.m. sa Bayanihan Kennedy Town Center. Okay, so see you there. Tumatanggap pa po tayo. Kahapon may tumawag sa atin. Kala nyo wala ng slots. Marami pa po available slots kasi madami po nagsasabi more than 100 kaya hindi sila nag-register. So, nag-register lang po sa akin more than 20. Okay? So, pwede pa. Kahit 10 kayo, 20, pwede pa po. And as a matter of fact, meron na tayo ng ticket. Yay! Nakaano na tayo. Salamat kay Kuya Mark. Nakabili na tayo ng ticket natin. With my assistant. Asa yung kape ko ba? Okay. Kumakain tayo ng merienda. Alam niyo po to. Palitaw kasi ngayon ay November 1. So, marami tayong mga ngayon. Bisita at mga merienda. Okay. So, see you sa November 18. And, if you want to be one of the sponsors ng aking concert in the seminar, so, message nyo lang ako sa aking FB page. FB account, Gigi Sunga, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Okay? May mga sponsor na po tayo like IMG Hong Kong, Franchise Philippines. Thank you very much, Sir Denmark. And may isa pa, MJ7, turmeric and ginger. Thank you very much, Ma'am Letty. Sa lahat ng mga OFW natin o mga kababayan natin dito sa Pilipinas, if you want to have your own business, yan. So, kung gusto mong food supplement plus at the same time, magkaroon ka ng negosyo sa yung sa kinaroroonan mo, sakto. Kailangan mo lang ng Facebook at etong turmeric, MJ7. Tawagan mo lang si Ma'am Letty, 0917-553-0086. Actually, kausap ko siya kahapon. Marami na pong namili sa kanya. So, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga delivers na namimili ng turmeric sa MJ7. Okay. Yan, ano pa? If you need one-on-one coaching sa Hong Kong, available po po yung slot. Okay? Marami pa tayong slot na available. Okay. 2 days po kasi ako doon. Simulan natin. Learn first these 2 strategies bago tayo mag-invest sa business. Napakalaga po kasi na pagdadaanan nito. Because if you will start right, alam mo ba, ngayon ka pa lang nagising sa buhay mo, isang umaga na gusto mong magnegosyo, nang walang prerequisite. Okay. So, ang mangyayari, abang kakainin natin to, ang mangyayari, merong mga magiging kulang na ingredient. Okay. I think may other sisters there. Madaming padating. Okay. Sobrang makunat. Okay. So, ito yung sinasabi natin na dapat aralin mo muna. Kasi if you will start right away na, eto, mag-invest ako dito, nakabalita tayo. Mag-invest ako dito, mag-negosyo ako dito. Nang wala mo ng mga skills na dapat mo siyang matutunan. Okay? Medyo mahirapan tayo. Because these 2 are discipline. I need to teach you one thing. Discipline. You know, bakit maraming tao ang nagtatagumpay sa negosyo? Maraming tao nagtatagumpay sa investment o sa anumang bagay na ginagawa nila, discipline. For example, my YouTube channel is an example na masasabi ko nagtatagumpay tayo dito because views are, continues to grow. Tinitingnan ko yung ating mga views natin, almost 5 million na. Ang mga subscribers natin, more than 40,000. Pag may nagsasabi sa akin, congratulations, Doc G, at nagtatagumpay ka dyan. Isang magandang gawain. So, maraming salamat, pero hindi natin nakikita ano ba yung isang ginawa ko. It's discipline. For example, right now, dahil meron ako idea, kasi kanina galing na ako kay Father, bago ako malis, sinulat ko na yung topic ko. So, ngayon, i-vlog ko na. So, you have to discipline yourself. Okay? So, Ngayon, nandiyan sila. They are eating something. I-eksena muna ako dito sa camera ko, sa aking vlog room. So, yan muna yung gagawin natin. Okay? Okay, then, so sa gabi, bago tayo matulog, nagbablog muna tayo. Sa umaga naman, pagising natin, nagbablog muna tayo. So, it requires a lot of discipline para makabuo ka ng ganitong channel. Kaya I salute those people na mas maraming views sa akin, mas maraming subscribers. Ibig sabihin, mas marami silang discipline na inilagay. Okay? So tayo, hanggat kaya ng schedule, we're putting something in, talagang nagpo-focus tayo dito. So, let's go back. So, yung sinasabi ko, the importance of discipline. Because discipline will keep you going. It will keep you motivated to do the task, to do your goals. Alright? So, there are two things, okay? Number one na dapat mong matutunan o ginagawa bago ka mag-business or investment, kailangan mo ng budget plan. You need budget plan, okay? Bakit budget plan? I'm not after dun sa hati-hati mo yung pera mo eh. I'm not after that. I'm after about the hindi yung paghati-hati mo ng pera. Yung, the time that you are spending on how to divide your money, that's very important. It's discipline kasi eh. Yung you will sit down, tapos nagpaplano ka na, bago pa dumating ang pera mo. By the way, I suggest bago tayo mag-budget, dapat yung hindi pa parating ang pera. Kasi pag ako na yung pera, doon ka pa lang nag-budget, mahirapan tayo, okay? So, ngayon, padating ang pera mo, padating ang bonus, di ba? O padating ang sweldo mo. So, sulat mo na, sulat ka, di ba? So, that's discipline. When you sit down, you pay attention to your money, that's discipline. And that's what you need in your investment and your business. You will sit down, pay attention to your money, pay attention to the business, pay attention to the details of your investment and your business. That's very important. That's why you have to budget your money. You have to allocate it very well. It's discipline. It's discipline. Okay? So, second, that you need to start doing before investment and business. So, you have to know how to save properly and consistently. Sabi ko nga po, in my previous vlogs, marami nagsisave. Nag-a-attempt, di ba? Marami naman sa ating mga Pilipino gusto makapag-save tayo ng pera, di ba? Marami nagsisave ng money. Ang problema, they are not doing it consistently and properly. For example, napag-save ng few months, after that, wala na kasi hindi sila sanay, di ba? Hindi sila sanay. And when they are not doing it properly, pag yung properly, meaning to say, ang pagsisave, una dapat, pagdating ng pera mo, nakasave ka na. Hindi yung pagkagastos sa lahat-lahat ng bagay, doon ka pala magsisave. It's different thing. Okay? So in other words, it's also a form of discipline when you are saving money. Because sometimes you are saying no to yourself, okay, pag meron kang gustong bilhin. And saying no to yourself is a form of discipline. Okay? It's just like saying you cannot enjoy everything yet. You have to hold things. Diba? That's delayed gratification. And that's very important in a business. Kasi pag hindi ka nasanay ng ganitong strategy, lahat ng pera mo sa business, pag naisipan mo mag-mall, pupunta ka sa mall. Kahit pera na ng negosyo mo. Pag naisipan mo magta-travel ka, kahit pera na siya ng negosyo mo. So that can't be. You have to understand that there is a right time to spend your money. Right time, right way to spend everything. Okay? So, hindi po pwede yung pagkagusto mo lang. So, again, let's go back to the drawing board. Babalikan natin lagi yung discipline na tinatawag natin. And that's discipline. And you need it. Okay? Kahit sa investment sa investment kasi ganito. Misa, di ba, may mga one-time investment, may mga monthly naman, dapat kang nagbibigay. And that's discipline. Kasi kung one-time lang yan, hindi yan mag-grow. Like, I have a friend na one-time lang siya naglagay sa UITF. Ngayon, nababawasan pa yung pera niya eh. Kasi it was not done properly. And that's discipline. To do things properly, to do things in order, and consistently, it requires discipline. So if you want to be successful sa iyong business and investment, do these two things first. Magtagumpay ka muna. Try mo, ngayong buwan na to, second month, third month, hanggang 3 months. Pag nagtagumpay ka na, start your investment. At i-message mo ko, I will help you to start this business and to start your investment. Sabi ko nga, di ba, like now, I'm forming a group. So, message mo sa aking number, 0939-5254-311, or you message me sa aking FB page, FB account, write their details. If you want to join my group, I'm forming a group para sa isang international investment. Alright? So, may nag-message sa akin kahapon, gusto niya, so just message me, we will meet and to explain everything. It's a investment na hindi siya scam, okay? I'm pretty sure about that. I'm sure about it. And I will be doing it. I just need partners with this, okay? At kayo din para sama-sama tayong pagtulungan natin to, okay? So, again, let me reiterate, lahat ng mga gustong mag-invest, you just message me. I'm presently forming a group for this, alright? So, yeah, please share this video sa lahat ng OFW. Kahit OFW, gusto mong mag-business international o mag-invest, sabihin nyo lang po ako. So, gusto mag-business, magnegosyo, share this video para sama-sama tayo mabago at mula natin buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!